Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Zacconi espresso machine. It had some bad electrical and also this pressure sensor. You can see how it was clogged, and just this is causing it not to work so well. And so we replaced that too. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. This is the spring-loaded version of the Zacconi, which is very nice. You can let go of the lever once you push it down. Nice shot of espresso. Let's go ahead and test the steam. Alright, I need to tighten that up. There we go, no more leak. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.